Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to buy Nike Air Force One on the Nike app. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Nike application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Nike if you of course haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top right corner, as you can see, we have the search bar. We have your profile, your bag, and the three dots in the top right corner. And when you click on these three dots, we have your account and some things about that and a lot of different things here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and buy the Nike Air Force One on the Nike application. So firstly, what you need to do is go to the top right corner and click on these three dots, or lines, sorry. Then you can go there, or you can go and click on the search bar, and here immediately, as you can see, we have it popping out. So it's a popular search term, Air Force One, and you can click on it. Then, of course, if it does not pop up to you, you can just go and type in Air Force One, and it will pop out. Then you have a bunch of them here, as you can see. Choose the one that you want, click on them. Of course, go click on Add to Bag, click on the top right corner where your bag is. They will be here, and here you just need to click on go to checkout, and you can then of course easily buy them. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. As always, bye guys.